When we think about education, we often think about schools, grades, or achievements. But have we ever asked, what truly shapes a child's heart? It's the relationships inside the family, the way we talk to each other, the way we solve conflicts, the way we continue to choose love even when it's difficult. There was a time when our family was full of tension. We loved each other deeply, yet somehow, love got buried under frustration. Small disagreements became silent walls. Our son grew timid, our daughter withdrew, and we felt helpless, unsure how to bring peace back home. One day, a mentor told us, "When the leaves of a tree turn yellow, don't water the leaves, nourish the roots." Those words changed everything. We realized, the roots of every family relationship lie in our own growth. We stopped trying to change each other. We started changing ourselves, our tone, our reactions, our patience. Slowly, the air at home changed too. Respect replaced anger. Understanding replaced judgment. Our children began to smile more freely, speak more openly. Today, I see how true it is. The family is not just where a child grows. It's where parents grow too. When we nurture love, when we repair trust, when we hold space for each other's imperfections, we give our children the greatest gift, not wealth, not wisdom, but the experience of being deeply connected. Because no matter how smart or capable a person becomes, if they grow up feeling disconnected or unloved, they spend their life searching for belonging. But when a child grows up in a family where love is alive, where conflict is met with repair, and differences are met with respect, they carry that sense of safety into the world. That is how families become the roots of a thriving life. It's the relationships inside the family,